the races, Madam Leonora, Dugo, Anak, Papato, Black Label, Friendly Fire, Tala sa umaga. And Quick Storm is running at the tail of the field by about 7 to 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, Dugo, Anak, Papato, Tala sa umaga, sizing up, mirroring each other and watching in third. Closing now is the favorite, and this one is Black Label. Dugo, Anak, Papato, Tala sa umaga, Black Label racing on the outside as they swing for on. Dugo, Anak, Papato, Black Label, Tala sa umaga, and Friendly Fire. Dugo, Anak, Papato on the outside is Tala sa umaga, and by the Tala sa umaga. It's now Black Label, Dugo, Anak, Papato, Friendly Fire, Black Label by a length and a half, and finally Black Label, Dugo, Anak, Papato, Friendly Fire, Tala sa umaga, Madam Leonora, Quick Storm.